Hello everyone. It is like, gosh, 8:45. So I just got done driving a Marine to the airport. He was like, hey, I'll pay you 50 bucks if you give me a ride. And I'm like, honestly, man, that's like almost a tank of gas. That is actually awesome. So, drove this Marine all the way to the airport. 45 minutes there, 45 minutes back. So, probably go through like a little less than a quarter of a tank. Not bad at all. For 50 bucks that he's gonna get me, that pays for it plus 3, you know. And yeah, that's about it. I'll bring you guys along with me today, and we'll just sort of figure out how we're gonna go about this situation every single hour. We'll see what we're gonna do. See you guys there. So this is sort of what I'm looking at. 60 bucks, so it's over my budget, but it does have 2 burners, and that's pretty nice. I can get cooking done a lot easier. Uses propane. Hopefully it contains propane. Does this have freaking pans? No. If it does, that's a win. I think I might get this one. We'll see. I'm gonna look into the box a little more. So this is why you go to Walmart. 47 bucks for the same grill. And you get a pack of the 2 Colemans for $7.37. Good news, it works fine. So I just had to start it up. You couldn't really see it on the film, so I'm starting to put it away. I figured I'd record it being set up a little bit. Yeah, it works great. I got the propane. I think we're all good. I think we just need to go get ice and food, and then I can actually cook. So we'll see how this goes. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go hit the gym and use that time to shower and brush my teeth, all that fun stuff. That's the thing I think I've realized, especially watching other people and stuff do videos like this where they're living out of their trucks and stuff, is hit up gyms and things like that where you have like a free shower and things like that. I don't know how much it costs for stuff like that. For me, it's free because I'm in the military, but I'm gonna use it while I can. And all I know right now is I can get a workout, probably get some free water to fill up my water bottle, get a nice shower, get cleaned up, and that's pretty solid to me. After that, I'm gonna go to the commissary and get some food and ice. See how this goes. I can't fit much in my Pelican right there, that cooler, and I probably made a mistake and got a little bit too small one. But I'll make it work. We'll make it work. This is gonna be fun. Get a fresh shower in here, so that's awesome. So I feel clean, feel good. After this, we gotta go grocery shopping to get some groceries. Couldn't think of the word. Man, I'm retarded. So this, I just filled it up with some ice. Should keep it pretty cold for a while. It says 36 hours. We'll see. Maybe, can I put this on still? I might just take this thing out. But, looks good. This ice, I might be able to throw in some refrigerator somewhere. Let's see if I can. So, I actually realized I got a big problem. I was sitting in the S&P, you know, downloading some stuff on Netflix on my phone and things like that. I was thinking about the meal I'm gonna make here in a little bit, and I almost died. I tripped on my own shoelace. I'm a mess. This is a disaster. But okay. I never bought milk or butter, and I'm pretty sure Hamburger Helper always requires one of the 2. For some reason, I was thinking that you just buy the box, you just need some water, and you're set. So I'm a little irritated about that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have breakfast for dinner pretty much, because I got enough of that. And yeah, it'll be fun. It's still gonna be good. I'm a little irritated that my dinner's not what I thought it was gonna be, but it'll work, so whatever. And I'll start cooking that here in a second. All right, so let's start setting this up. I got gallon bags and tortillas over here. The salt and pepper's inside. I should get that done too in a second. But let's get this spatula here. Oh, I have some spray. Let me get some of that spray. A little bit windy. Definitely turn the heat. Oh yeah, it's already cooking up. So once again, I'm really stupid, and I didn't buy gallon bags. I bought half gallon, so I had to put this bacon in here, fold it up. But in all honesty, this is gonna save space, and so I'm not complaining too much, but yeah, that was definitely stupid of me. Here we go. Let's pour some of these bad boys in. My phone battery, but cheesy eggs, bacon, got tortilla cooking. I gotta put this all back in the fridge. I'm gonna get this cleaned up a little bit while this is cooking, and then I'll get back to it. I know it doesn't look like much. Got cheesy eggs in there. Got this guy burned a little bit, but honestly, I'm happy with this. I'll heat this up and let you guys know how it tastes. Well, I haven't eaten since breakfast, so I'm gonna dive right in. Feels weird. Not really much at all, but it is what it is. Tastes fine. Yeah, this is perfectly fine. I mean, I'm not looking for much right now. I'm just eating pretty much to get by, you know? The biggest issue I think I definitely ran into was my cooler. I got a really nice cooler. Supposedly it can keep things cold for a really long time, except the space is not there. Sorry, my phone is plugged in right now, so it's a little hard to get this video. My phone's almost dead. But what I did find was in the corner of this parking lot, there's like a tree above us. You can park really close into the forest. And pretty much what I think this is gonna do is give me some shade and hopefully cool down the truck a little bit faster. Like I said, it's pretty hot here, but it is dropping. I think it's went from 88 like 2 hours ago. Now it's at 82 degrees, and overnight it should get below 75, and then I should be, you know, chilling. Just crack the windows a little bit, get some airflow in here. Last night it really cooled down, you know, around 9-10 p.m. So hoping the same thing happens. All right, let's see how this is. Dude gave me some matches, so. Little flake in my mouth. Honestly, tastes like a normal cigar, man. Who knows? Well, I'm gonna smoke this for a bit. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was a little bit better, a little bit more to the point, not too drug out. We'll see. I gotta get editing it tonight while I'm in the cab. Yeah, I'm gonna keep recording. If I don't have any ideas tomorrow, I'll be the next day. But like I said, I'm gonna try to get some videos out and just have fun, you know. Tomorrow will be 12 more days and just relax and try my best to enjoy myself out here. During the weekends, I plan on going down to different areas and maybe camping in some national parks or whoever knows. That's it, guys. Keep on watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.